So the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, Migrant Workers Office, Eastern Region Operations, Al-Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This flag of appreciation is gratefully presented to, as a member of the Executive Committee, in grateful recognition of your untiring service and unwavering support that significantly contributed to the success of the 127th Philippine Independence and 30th Migrant Workers Day, and your dedication, enthusiasm, and commitment to the spirit of freedom and unity helped make this event a memorable and meaningful occasion. Given this 11th day of July 2025 during the Kalayaan Pasasalamat 2025 celebration in Drug Restaurant, Al-Khobar, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, signed Darwin S. Majid, overall event chairman, and Honorable Allen Leonard C. Warden, chairperson, Executive Committee. Thank you so much and congratulations to Mr. Andrew Nathaniel G. Santos. He's not here, but this plaque is for Dr. Ronaldo E. Molina. Do we have any representative from PhilCop? Wala po talaga. Next up we have Mr. Albert M. Aquino. But this belongs to Mr. Florante and Catalos. From ASCO. Mr. Jose Rex Cabarosa on vacation. Okay. Anyone who would like to receive? Okay, sir. Darwin. Then we have Dr. Rona M. Sonsona. Mr. Judy R. Harvey. Our overall event co-chairman, Engineer Ricky D. De Belen. Wait lang, sandali, official photographer. Again. Our overall event secretary, Mr. Jelmar A. And our overall event chairman for Kalayaan 2025 from PPOS and Mr. Darwin Anthony. Then we have administrative staff, Kalayaan 2025 Executive Coordinator, Ms. Ethel G. Chavez.
Yes!
Dali lang nga, paunahin natin yung official photographer. Nakakaawa naman lahat ng mukha ko parang hindi na picture ng official photographer. Lugi kayo. Okay. And again, we would like to call on Miss Kimi Elvers Austin. Okay. Co-chairman Kalayaan 2025, Honorable Habib G. Malik. Ako bahala mag-dito po. Miss Lizelle S. Villamorel. Stress. Wala sila, lugis na wala silang bigas. Honorable Loreen C. Luz. Okay, we would like to call on Ma'am Jane, Sir Andrew, and Sir Darby, and the rest of the exit to please join us here as we present this plaque of appreciation. May host po. Baka ubusan ako ng pitch. Okay, this plaque of appreciation para po kay Honorable Allen Leonard C. Morgan. Our overall event chairman for Kalayaan 2025. para hindi maialam sa pangalan. And lastly, we were able to present this plaque of appreciation para po sa ating bronze sponsor, the Vice President of Batay at Kasangga International Incorporated, Engineer Erwin Jesse C. Pilay.
Ricardo J. Pidan Jr. And Christina Nicole D. Imperial, the Master of Ceremony during the Kalayan 2025.
Okay po, we have some certificates of appreciation para sa ating mga guests. This one belongs to Police Attaché of the Philippine Embassy Riyadh, Police Colonel Virgilio V. Gloria. Master Sergeant Mark P. Pacalaga, Assistant Police Attaché, Philippine Embassy Riyadh. And we have our Second Secretary of the Philippine Embassy Riyadh, PSA Honorable Gerald B. Solis. Sir Darwin, please join us on stage. We have here a certificate of appreciation for our Chairman of Ways and Means Committee, Ms. Mary Jane P. Tupas. Sir Ronald Emanengo P. Then we have the Chairman, Production Committee, Judy R. Vidornillo. Chairman, Kalinga kay Kabayan ngayong Kalayaan, Sir Jose Rex Laros. Member D. Floresca Jr. Chairman of Reception and Registration Committee, Ms. Evangelina A. Light. Chairman, Raffle Committee and member of Ways and Means Committee, Sir Mark Lester R. Castro. Chairman, Stage Decoration and Physical Arrangement Committee, Chairman, Program Committee, Sir Darwin S. Magic. Chairman, Social Media Committee, Sir Florante M. Catanos. Lester Castro, Chairman of Finance Committee. Chairman ng Kalinisan sa Kapaligiran ngayong kalayaan ng Teaching Champ 2025 Committee, Sir Andrew Nathaniel G. Santos. Member of Ways and Means Committee, Ms. Maria Abigail C. Trinidad and Tobago. And member of Ways and Means Committee, o si Habibi naman, Kaisar Abdul Kader. Business Development Manager of Al Yamama Company for Trading and Contracting, Muhammad Al Omar. I'd like to call Sir DJ Catania. DJ is married to South Capital of the Philippines. Salamat sa Aliyah Mama. Mga organizations na tumulong sa KKK, Sangguniang Masang Pilipino, International Incorporated, SNPII. Next up, we have the Ministry of National Guard Health Affairs, Al-Aqsa Blood Bank. Al-Hasa Islamic Chapter. Beauty Enhancement, Social Sciences and Training. The Best Club, KSA. The Best Beauty Enhancement through Science and Technology. Altruism Eagles Club, KSA. Altruism. Walang may gusto? AEC, Altruism Eagles Club, KSA Club President Sir Kuya Rodolfo P. Hermono Jr. Okay, Kuya John. From the Chapter Chief of SFPII, Ms. Marisa C. Linares. Puro taga-alhasa ng mga volunteers. Muhammad Gani Vargas, you are Uyui or Uri? Uri, Imam of Alasa Islamic Center. KKK Committee Co-Chairperson, Sir Melvin Landicho. Asco. Wow, another KKK committee member. Again, from Altruism, Sir Rodolfo P. Hermono. Kuya John. Grabe, munti ang market ka. Alright, ito, i-put na natin yung awards. So if you're part of this committee, please join us on stage for the Ways and Means Committee with its chairman, Mary Jane P. Dupas.
Lahat ng chairman, lahat ng Ways
Ways and Means. Alright. So we have Engineer Machado Defensor, Dr. Roland Sonsona, Miss Maria Abigail Trinidad. Now we have the program committee chaired by Sir Darwin S. Magic. We have Engineer Ricky Vidalén, Judy Hadormino, and Zelmar A. Ori. Coming up. Thank you so much to our program committee. For Finance and Budget Committee chaired by Sir Ronald Lemanenko, Mark Nestor Castro, and Cesar Abdul Kader. Enrique Chuijan. Thank you, Finance and Budget. Chairman for our Technical and Documentation Committee, chaired by Dr. Ronald Molina, Engineer Edgar Malindan, Kian Bacalso Saya, Jo Marie Cordero, Lyndon Panelo, Jeffrey Chris Padilla Caga, J. Lord Alamis Española, and Estelito Villanueva Dueco. Food and Beverage Arnolfo B. Arquero, Robert Castillo, Agalia T. Basco, Erwin Jesse C. Pilay, Aini Ilmangay, Jennifer Lacse, Annalisa Espangalinan, Cristela C. Oblea, pwede mo po yung iba. Alright everyone, Robert Castillo, Arnolfo. Creative Awards and Recognition Committee Chairperson Andrew Nathaniel G. Santos, members Priscilla Domingo, Annalyn U. Molina, Rowena Y. Miranda, Shelo R. Milagrosa, and Geoffrey Manlapa. Chairman Dandre P. Quiroz, Christian D. Guerrera, Vivian Gerardo, Ana Olimba, Mary Luis Ignacio, Christian J.R. Legaste, Evelyn Menes, Rica B. Paroa, Billy Joe Mercurio, Sheila De Leon. Pinoy Committee. Then we have the Tambalang Condiman. Tambalang Condiman Committee chaired by Michael Manalo Olive, Raymond O. Ibanez, and Maria Dulce R. Valencia. Wala na ha. Next up we have the Diseño Filipino Committee chaired by Guven George M. Villena, Nico V. Salonga, co-chair, Andy Kauyan, member, and Joseph T. San Miguel. And of course, the Pitiklaya Committee chairman again, Sir Darwin Majid, Architect Dennis B. Angeles, co-chair, Architect Mark Hasmin, Architect July D. Manalili, Architect Ronald S. Rina, and Architect Willie M. Kalinglin. members, Ani D. Belmonte, Rufino M. De La Cruz, Rogelio D. Floresca, Renz Luminien, and Hakacha, Jonathan Gallardo, Hisham Abdullah Mohammed Rashid, Jessica Gases, and Borhan Faiz Al-Shahri. Paul M. Madriaga. Ito, medyo konti lang to. Parade Committee chaired by Benji Otencio, Alcar Apolinaria, Esperanza Pumandag, Reynaldo Pumandag, Ruben Oriola Fernandez, Demetrio Asunto, Marie Jo Santos, Celso Cabornay, Edna Cabornay, Casey Cabornay, J. Caro, Demetrio Asunto, Lali Sindeno, Marlene De Nicolas, Julian Mahalanda, Jenny Boy Pascal Montillas, Anolodin Bisonato, and Ellen Rio Montero. Our medical committee chaired by Sir Rodrigo Umali with its members Josephine Colina Fortu, Relevant Calvin Tolentino, Elmer Tumapang, Marites Maximo, General Michelle Domingo, Kate De La Rosa Pyle, Mark Beltran, Jacqueline Magbanua, Lalaine Cayo, and Minerva El Valderramos. Pwede dito yung iba. Committee, Security and Crowd Control headed by Sir Roger Floresca. So kung kayo part of Security and Control or Crowd Control, join us. Thank you so much. For stage decoration, physical arrangement committee headed by its chairman, Sir Darwin S. Magic. Production committee headed by its chairman, Judy R. Hunter-Beer. Rafael Valdez, Adrian Perez, again, Brian Freddy Mendoza, Resky Diomangay, Marian D. Paglinawan, and Joanne